I just moved from a landed house to a condo with no balcony space. So where am I meant to dry my clothes? Here? But that's when the thought came in. Hey Jess, I know that we've been doing smartphone content for a while now, but can we do something in relation to washing machines?
Cool, sure.
This is the Coway Washer-Dryer, and we'll be breaking this down into these categories. Yes, you didn't hear this wrong. This is a video about 2-in-1 washer-dryer. But I'm Taj from Product Nation. Let's do this. So let's start with the design. Coway kept this simple and minimalistic. This is not meant to be a showroom piece. This is meant to be in your home. It's small, clean, and compact. So it can fit in condos, flats, townhouses, you name it. This washer and dryer is supposed to fit into small spaces. So imagine if you have to move this around. Wei Xiang recently told me that he moved houses. How does it feel with that?
Imagine yours, you need to move one time only, but mine, you need to move twice.
Whoa.
2 devices.
So that's like 150 kilos in total?
Yep.
Damn. So check this. This control panel, or whatever you call it, is fully analog. And this part, it's not touchscreen, but it's like pressure panels, I think. But anyway, it's all kind of analog, and I love analog things. And I think you would want your washer dryer, or any kind of purchase, you would want it to last very, very long. And I think this design would able to make it last long. But all this fancy, minimalistic, compact design only really matters if the machine actually works. So that's the big question. How does it perform? So I think there's a big myth when it comes to washer and dryer where they say that it's too aggressive, that you should only use one or the other. But then what's the point of a washer and dryer? But Coway focuses on balanced washing and drying. But I don't have enough experience to answer this part of the question because I don't do enough laundry, so I'm gonna ask my wife. So in your opinion, because you've used this more than me, what do you think?
I'm very much impressed by how it's able to actually remove tough stains like makeup stains, oil or food stains. Usually in older versions of washing machines, like when you wash, you can still smell the odor. But this one, you don't exactly smell it. In fact, you can actually smell the softener and the laundry detergent powder quite strongly, which I love. I also like the 15-minute wash thing. That's pretty cool when you're in an emergency. Usually, sometimes you will leave the load on in the morning. But it's okay. So when we come back, it doesn't smell like wet laundry. It actually smells fresh. I'm able to just dry it off on the rack and it's dry the next morning. So that's great.
So before this, we were all using top loads. So this one is a front load. How do you feel about this one?
Usually with top loaders, you get residual powder detergent, especially if you're using the powder one. When I put in for this specific washer, I can see that there's no residual powder that's left.
What do you think of the dryer?
The thing about this washing machine in particular, you just have to put it in once, you set it and everything, and then you just let it run for like 4 hours. And really depending on the number of spins and the type of drying that you want, yeah, it's convenient. So for me, convenience matters most.
So this Coway washer-dryer actually has 5 drying modes, which might sound like a lot, but it's actually perfect because you don't have one type of fabric, right? You have polyester, you have cotton, silk, whatever that you have. But these 5 modes should be just enough for each of this. And with the proper mode selections, you get clothes that dry without overheating, like jerseys with prints on top. And then you also have clothes that are not too wrinkly, but they're also soft to the touch, which is great because easy to wear. Okay, so one thing that we all know, but we've learned how to tune out, is the noise. Okay, so it's about 2:30 a.m. right now, and yes, I am seated in front of the washing machine. But because it's 2:30 a.m., I've got the night mode on, and it's pretty quiet. I don't think you can hear much of it. Like if anything at all, you can hear the boats going around, but not the machine. So Coway has this thing called direct drive motor inverter, and it's there to ensure that there's lesser vibrations and the operations within is really smooth. And I think that's pretty cool. So actually you can run this at night, you can do work nearby, and also you don't have to be worried about being reminded there's laundry all the time. Because one of the washer that I used to have at my old house, it was like I was like, what the hell, man? So this is perfect because imagine I'm staying in a condo and there's like 5-6 different houses and the whole night the washing machine is going I'm gonna get kicked out. Okay, so performance might be a big thing, but convenience is the most exciting part for me because I don't have to depend on weather, I don't have to depend on space because this is a 2-in-1 washer dryer. And I don't even have to worry about my clothes being damp after coming home late at night after work. So technically those issues are irrelevant because if I have to depend on weather and space, that's the setup. So for me, it's one machine, 2-in-1. And apart from folding, which is my favorite part of house chores, everything else is taken care for me.
This is the thing I jealous. Because no, mine is the top and bottom one, right? So every time I wash already, I need to move the clothes to the dryer. Then only I can dry.
So you have to manually set timer and then you have to take the clothes, put up and then wait. So you cannot wash before you go to work now.
Yeah.
That's sad, man. Get a Coway Washer-Dryer. So when you use a dryer for a long time, there's going to be lint stuck around the drum. But this Coway Washer-Dryer has a specific drum clean mode. All you have to do is turn the dial to the drum clean mode, press start, and then voila, the lint disappears. Do you know how disgusting and icky a washer-dryer gets if you don't service it over time?
Disgusting!
So here's what you get with the Coway Hard Service. A Coway service technician will be with you and they'll start with the overview check of your product. All residual water that's stuck, they will remove it. Then they will move on to internal sterilization. Next, the internal cleaning will happen. You know, when built-up lint happens or dust lingers, they will double check the water inlet in case there are any leaks. After that, the technician will perform external cleaning on the product, and finally, they will provide drum cleaning tablets for internal drum care. So that is probably the biggest selling point for me for this Coway washer-dryer because they don't treat it like a you buy it and you forget it kind of product. So personally, I don't think the Coway washer-dryer is trying to reinvent laundry. If you value space, predictability, and long-term use, I'll leave the descriptions in the box below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey.